What's so funny, TSM?
Nikki Place, she eating, so I rolled up. Nikki Place.
Hey guys, thank you for watching Nikki's Plates. I got another mukbang for you guys today. Hey, how y'all doing? Today I have for you guys some Lomein. I had the toughest time choosing between rice or noodles because I like the rice, but I like the noodles too. But I had seen a comment that was left a long time ago. Somebody requesting do a pasta mukbang. Is this considered pasta? Yeah, it's a noodle, right? So I didn't know that it came with an egg roll, and I had gotten 3 egg rolls on the side, so I'm gonna have some food for later that I could probably take to work tomorrow. But let's get into it. I got Lomein, and I'm gonna put it up so y'all can get some first, okay? Here, you get some first. Let me get a thumbnail. Okay, all right, so yeah, we got the noodles. Still getting thumbnails. Lord, thank you so much for the food that we are about to receive. Let it be a nourishment to our bodies. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. 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 How y'all doing? You know, I have to say that, you know, y'all already know that I just really came back to filming again. But I have to say that, like, because I've been having anxiety about me filming, like, if I don't do a video, I'm beating myself up. And I finally just said, you know, whatever. If I do a video, I do a video. If I don't, I don't. So now that I'm like doing videos, it's more easier for me to do a video, number one, because I'm like, if I do it, I do it. If I don't, I don't, you know? I'm not like beating myself up. But I have to say that I'm in a sillier mood than normal. And I think it's because I'm filming and doing what I'm supposed to be doing. You know? No. They didn't give me no duck sauce. It's hot though. So I got the pasta, technically. Mukbang is a noodle. I like the cabbage in there too. Y'all, a couple of people done told me like they thought they was gonna come up in here and see some like real good, like fast, like eating. I cannot eat fast like that, y'all. I am sorry if you looking for that. I'm sorry, y'all. I have never been one to eat fast, period. Like, I had it bad when I was young because it took me forever to eat a bowl of cereal, you know, at school for breakfast before class. And I had to learn because I'd be in the gym a whole half an hour extra trying to eat my cereal. They thought I just didn't want to go to class. Probably because my brother didn't want to go to class. Shrimp, baby. But I think the setup is easier because it's right here in my kitchen, really. And I got my microphones like hooked to the end of the counter. So, yep. Ow. I think I ate some hard and like the gum, or maybe I ate it too hot. It burnt the top of my mouth on the side near my tooth. I wish I had some, what you call it, even though I ain't that good at them. I need to practice with my chopsticks. Here. Come on. Come on, baby, let me feed you. Y'all notice I said that real low. Good, Brian, get jealous. He'll be out here in a minute. So good. But anyway, I've been in a really good, playful kind of mood. This right here. So good. Next time, I think I need to say extra veggies. Because I like the crunch. The crunch from the veggies. Oh, goodness. I decap it. I hear that. I know you can because I listened to the tamale video back. And you can even hear the refrigerator come on. With the freeze. Oh, you came out quiet, babe? I didn't even hear you.
Right. Sneak up on the kid.
Huh?
I can sneak up on the kid.
Oh, ooh. You said that on. Y'all heard that, right?
Nah, I ain't getting nothing.
Say I heard you. Huh?
Your microphone don't work back there.
Say I heard that if y'all heard that, but we're gonna see. What?
I know something they don't know.
What you know?
Oh, you want me to say? Okay.
I want you to lip say it. Lip say it.
What?
Lip say it.
That I know something they don't know?
No, what you know. Lip say it. Don't say it out loud.
What?
Just in case I don't want to say that.
I know somewhere you supposed to be.
No, don't say that. I'm playing hooky. They watch my videos. They was like, Brian trying to be messy.
Why you always say I try to be messy?
You're trying to be professionally messy. If you get my drill.
I'm gonna tell you.
I just couldn't do it today. How your chicken taste? Good?
Can you hear the crunch?
Hold on. I don't think so. Probably if you bit into another one. Here we go, right here.
Wow.
You hear it a little bit. He's trying to get y'all some ASMR action, y'all. You? How about here? Can you hear the crunch? You know, I've been watching some of the YouTube videos. Oh. And I don't know exactly what's going on. I just know that Nina Unrated and Nicole, of course, is not collaborating right now. Even though they're both in Vegas, I don't know what's going on. But I told Nina, if she ever in Dallas, let me know. Because I could do a collab. But if there's numbers on there, we're gonna play it for the lottery.
Yeah.
Okay.
You did it again.
What?
Did you tell them the story
Of?
about my name?
Oh, back. No, I didn't. Let me tell y'all. So, let me get some water. Got Ozarka. Hold on. Boy, I was thirsty. That was a water break for real. So y'all know I call Brian Bay, right? Well, a few weeks ago, we took my mom to see my grandmother in Indianapolis. And, you know, obviously we saw my grandmother too, or whatever, right? And so, I don't ever say Brian. I say Bay. And so I guess somebody asked my grandma, what we call my grandma Dede. Shout out to my Dede. Somebody asked Dede what was my husband's name. She's like, I think his name Bay, because all she says Bay. So we didn't know. So she asked my mom. We went over there to take my mom to Molly's, and she was laughing and telling us. And my mama, she gave us some greens. And Brian was like, oh yeah, I can eat these with my steaks. And he wasn't trying to share. My mom was like, I guess Bay not gonna share, huh? But looking back, when we was there that Sunday, everybody was sitting in the living room, and Dida had got Brian a chair, and she said, here babe, just sit right here. You don't remember that? She said, here babe, just sit right here.
I don't remember that.
She did. I thought she was just saying, here baby. Yeah.
Did you for real?
She did. Here baby, just sit right here. And like over the last week or so, like my mom told me that I need like some counseling of some sort, because therapy of some sort, because I'm unable to remember certain things from my childhood.
Yeah,
Right. She'll ask me, do you remember so and so? I'm like, how about this person? I'm like, maybe I gotta see a picture. I don't know them. I'm like, child, these are people who be at the house like every day. I don't know them people. You know, I'm sorry. I'm gonna tell you the truth. Brian said, you need to start lying so like you know some of these people. I'm like, no. Like, no, I'm not gonna do that because if I remember you, then I remember you, you know. But sometimes I say I don't remember somebody, and then like I see their face, and I'm like, oh yeah, I know who they are. Like, we had went to a family reunion a couple years ago, and my mom, before we went to the event, my mom was asking me, do I remember this certain cousin? I'm like, She said, this is a shame. It is a shame. But when we got there, and that particular cousin came in, and he was hugging everybody, I'm like, oh, hey, what's up? I see you. I was like, I thought you didn't remember him. So it's like I remember some faces, but I don't remember the names of the people, you know?
Yeah, we know you ain't good with names. Who you been calling the wrong name for?
Who?
How many years you say?
Who?
Your uncle. He called him the wrong name. But yeah, you ain't good with names.
Brian wrong for that. That happened one time.
That was one time.
That was one time.
He said you been doing that.
That was one time.
It was that one time. He said multiple times.
I don't know when. So my auntie, I'm so sorry.
He said, I know what you mean.
My uncle, I love you, Uncle Johnny. And I'm so, yes, that's it. You wrong. Right. That's wrong with that. Yes, I'm sure. I don't know what came over. I know who he is. I don't know how that crossed in my mind.
Yeah, how did you get that crossed?
I don't know. I have no idea. But after the day my mom told me that I need some counseling or therapy or some sort, right? Like, I was talking about certain things because it just came up naturally in conversation. I was with me and a coworker, Libby, and we were talking about, huh?
You didn't say shout out to Libby?
Shout out to Libby.
No.
Thank you for always letting me taste your stuff. I have to ask her if she's willing to eat on camera with me. I bet she could probably do it. But we were talking about childhood memories. Like, I promise y'all, like 2 days after this. And like her having conversations with me having conversations with her. And she was like, telling me, she had told me to ask my mom something, but I forgot the question that she told me to ask. But I told her that it seems to me, it had like an epiphany while talking to her. And it seems to me as though the friends that my mom had that were close friends, that we called them aunt and uncle out of respect, those are the ones that I remember the most. The ones that I didn't have to call aunt and uncle, I don't remember. Which
I said that's backwards.
I know. Which is understandable, being that my family is so large. Brian still don't understand how large my family is. He has never met all of my family at one time. He don't understand how large we are. Hopefully, everybody comes to the family reunion Labor Day weekend, and hopefully it could be like,
You gonna go live with me?
yeah, hopefully it could be like one of them back in the day family reunions, because we used to have so much fun. And maybe he'll see how large my family actually is. And
What's the day, man? Wednesday?
Wednesday. Wow. What time they open?
Yeah, what time they open?
2, I think. And
They said no for something outside. I mean, they got water, soda.
well, don't say the name of that place, and then people gonna look it up and know exactly where we live.
Yeah. I ain't gonna say that.
Yeah. But what was I saying? Oh, yeah. Okay. So he doesn't know how large my family really is. And I feel as though like my family is so large, I done added some aunties and uncles to it. Yes, I'm supposed to remember the friends that came over every day. But if I didn't have to call them auntie and uncle, I noticed that I don't know who they are. Which is crazy to me. But she'd be like, do you remember these people across the street from down the street, around the corner? You don't remember them? Nope. Really, bad? You had to open that can up so deliciously like that? And go, give me a sip. I told him to keep me away from sodas, y'all, so that's my fault. It ain't him being controlling, it's me. I told him to hold me accountable. I ain't really supposed to have this either, but can't have both of them, huh?
Well, you can end the video. You don't have to eat all of it.
I know. Moderation.
I wonder if they're gonna have music today.
You've been having music every day.
They had music yesterday.
Yeah, they did.
I didn't hear music yesterday.
Yeah, they did. Whew. Get my water. But yeah, like, I don't know. But also, even certain people from church that I'm supposed to remember, that was like there throughout my whole childhood. Really, I don't remember. Charges to my head and not my heart. You know, I know them when I see them. You know. I think I remember the ones that I used to see on a regular basis, you know. But yeah. So I knew that already before my mom brought it up. I knew it. But what?
I just got a text message.
From who?
I don't know. Somebody look for you.
Who?
It said, hey, Nikki, can you take care of my dog for a few days?
Take care of my dog.
I've been a little busy lately and haven't had time to take care of Snowball.
Who is Snowball?
Somebody's dog. When I come back, I'll treat you to bluefin tuna.
That's a restaurant. But I ain't never been to Bluefin Tuna. Who is it? Who is Snowball?
Who is Snowball? You tell me they looking for you. And for you to take care of Snowball for a few days.
I don't know who that is. That's spam.
How do you know your name?
I don't know.
And how you know that restaurant? How you know that's a restaurant?
But you see it, it's in Allen.
What?
Somewhere. I know they got one in Allen.
So
or is it in Frisco? And they got your phone number? I don't think so.
Bluefin tuna. Let me look up bluefin tuna.
Look them up, because I want to know what's on their menu, first of all, before I take care of the
I ain't
dog.
never heard of no bluefin tuna. I thought it was a fish.
Or is it bluefish tuna? Is it bluefin tuna?
No, it's a bluefin. BLUEFIN.
Anyway.
Tuna.
I don't know. I'm going to get a second water. I don't know what it is.
Okay.
But apparently
you do, because you know exactly what bluefin tuna is.
it's in Allen, ain't it?
I don't know.
Oh.
Hold on.
I don't know who Snowball is.
Yeah, you know somebody.
I was going to say, who is that?
You didn't say it just pulled up the fish. Let me see. Let me check their restaurant.
Maybe a snack for later, because I ain't going to eat those. I already ate 3 of these. I can't. Let me take out what the. I can't let y'all go without we come to the end of the. Whoever. And we're bluefin too.
It's a bluefin Frisco.
Oh, it's in Frisco? I said in Allen, or is it in Frisco? I don't know who that is. Let me let y'all know what to say. First of all, before you read the this, I don't know if this is a real superstition or not, but it's mine. You have to eat a piece of the fortune cookie before you read it.
Man, I heard that.
I don't know. I've always been like that. Intuition tells me that. Those are good numbers. Huh. It say join a new club today. You'll be surprised. Huh.
You're on a new club today.
You'll be surprised. But I was just on AC Supreme.com video, and I said I was gonna submit my information on there. So that's why I didn't do it out on the board. I know one gonna finish it. Plus this board, it ain't hard to clean, but you know, I just got done cleaning that. But yeah, so bluefin tuna is in Frisco. But I don't know who this is texting Brian. Talking about Nikki, can I watch your dog?
Yeah, who is Noah?
I have no idea.
Yeah, you know who's Noah?
No, I don't. Wasn't that one of your dog's names growing up?
No, not the ball.
Oh. I don't know what it is.
What's Snow Day?
Yeah, but who is this? 'Cause out of blue texting you, me. If y'all know me, y'all know I ain't got friends like that, so I don't know who that could
You
be.
got one free and want you to watch Snowball
I don't have friends like that
for a couple days.
that I hang out with on a regular basis. Like I got my best friend, but she doesn't have a dog anymore. R.I.P. my sis Ivy. I don't know who it could be. Y'all don't have friends like that I hang out with on a regular basis. All my friends are Brian's old friends that I done stole and became family to me. Like his best friend, we used to all work together. I gotta tell the story now. We used to all work together at the same company, and she had told one of our supervisors. Well, me and her was working at the same garage, but Brian was working at a different garage. He was on the rail side, I believe, at this time.
Oh, what?
I think he was already on the rail side at this time. When Dana had told, what was his name? Irvin. When Dana had told Irvin that I was her sister.
Oh, Lord.
She told the supervisor that I was her sister. So when I came in the morning, he's like, I didn't know Dana was your sister. I was like, who? I had to catch on real quick, you know. I was like, oh yeah, that's my sister. He was like, oh, I thought she was lying. Like, nah, that's my sister. So ever since then, we've been sisters instead of friends. And that was one of Brian's best friends.
So stole my friend.
So, whew, I'm full though, y'all. Whew. That, and I drank a whole lot of that
21
water.
years. You stole my friend.
21 years they've been friends. Well, we've been friends, what, 13 years?
Said that. And you said the booty.
Just swooped in and stole them. Yep. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This right here is why I like to do videos with Brian in the background, because it is easier to do videos with two people, even though he's not technically in the video. He's in the background of the video. It's easier to have a conversation and not be so boring with two people. Well, not right now. That's for me only. He said, well, yeah, I don't want to see how old it is. He's so silly. But this is why I like to have him in the background. Because number one, it's still like we eat to get together instead of apart. Number two, he's able to think of different conversations based on what I'm saying. He'll bring out, well, you need to tell this story, which my mind doesn't go there. I'm very awkward with small conversation, and I need to get better at it, you know?
Mm-hmm. They're like, yeah, nothing to say. That came out.
Yeah. So, I mean, I have stories, but I just don't think of them right off of the dome, you know? And so, Brian helps me with that, you know what I mean? And that's why I like to film videos with him in the background. So, you know, for those of you who appreciate that, leave hearts down in the comment and tell me that you actually enjoy having him in the background. For those of you who don't like having him in the background, sorry, catch one of them videos where he not in the background, which is gonna be very rare, or swipe on to the next one. I don't know what to tell you, but I appreciate you guys embracing Brian's voice. Huh?
If they don't want me in the video, I can be quiet.
I like you in the video.
They might not like me in the video.
This is Nikki's plates.
Yeah, see, you just don't have no part of me.
But it's what I like, right? It's Nikki's plates, not the world's plate. Right? Right? Nikki's plates. I'm not gonna appease everyone. Everybody not gonna like everything. So, as long as you and I are happy, is what I like.
Why you keep looking over here?
Because I love you.
You're just trying to say all of this.
I am trying to see all of that. Yo. I am full, y'all. Because I drank like a bottle, almost 2 bottles of water. I opened both of them. Ozarkas. They need to give me a sponsorship. No cap. Or send me some water. Y'all can give me like 10 cases of water per month. That ain't gonna hurt y'all.
That wasn't even like.
That 10 cases per month?
That wasn't even like. We went through 6 in 2 weeks.
When?
When we got the 6 that was on sale at
That wasn't 2 weeks.
That was
That was almost a month.
That was 2 weeks.
Well, dang, we've been drinking water.
Water.
Okay, well, give me about 20 cases per month. I think that'll be sufficient. And it's only like 20 times what? That ain't gonna hurt their pockets. It ain't gonna hurt Ozarka's pockets. You know how much money Ozarka make? It ain't gonna hurt their pockets.
Do y'all still have it delivered at the job?
Yes.
Oh, you need to talk to that man when he come in.
He ain't finna bring me no free water and risk his job. I wouldn't ask people to do that.
You need to ask him who's over the advertising though.
Oh. Okay, I can do that though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can do that.
He can point you out.
Yeah, I can do that. You're right. Okay, I gotta figure out when the next water coming in. I skipped the next one though because it was coming in 2 weeks and we still got 5 big 5-gallon jugs and we have 4 packs of water. So I skipped the next one. So it's gonna be like the next month after next, whatever. And yeah, so I'll ask him when he come in. I'll let y'all know what he say when I get a chance to ask him. But yeah, they need Ozarka.
Right.
I need a sponsorship. I will leave your bottle just sitting right here the whole video. You know what I'm saying? If you just give me 10 cases of water, I'll leave 2 of them sitting right here. If you give me 20 cases of water every month, that way I can get my mama some water too. We have a whole bunch of water.
This ain't even the same color.
Because it's a different type of fabric. Brian, he just gonna have the video go on and on and on and on, y'all. Let me explain. What does it mean? This video is all over the place. Talk about a whole bunch of everything.
That's why you need to go live instead of video.
Yeah, okay.
Video going on an hour.
Yeah, it's been 43 minutes, yeah.
Man, ain't nobody gonna listen to this for 43 minutes.
It's like y'all eating right here, right in the kitchen with us. You know?
What?
You just can't. I mean, put your questions in the comments. The questions that you have as the conversation went on, put them in the comments.
Look at that new iron. It's like dope side. Oh, never mind. That's one of them things.
Yeah, they doing some other. All right, I'm finna end the video, okay?
Well, I got one thing to say.
What?
Go Mavericks, even though they lost last night.
They lost, so they ain't no more Maverick games.
Yeah.
Oh, how many games? Okay. I don't know nothing about sports.
They got to lose 4.
Oh, okay.
Or win 4.
I don't know anything about sports. My nephew is supposed to be teaching me about sports, but he ain't started yet.
Yes, these are perfect.
Yeah. They perfect?
These are perfect.
Good. He's supposed to be coming to visit. I really hope and praying that he does. Let me see if he want to do a video if he ever does come visit. When he comes visit. Come right there. Don't come too much. Just, okay. They look good. Turn around. They look very comfortable.
Now?
Yeah. Yeah, they look good. Alright, y'all. I enjoyed this video and I hope that you guys enjoyed it as well. Like, comment, share the video if you will. Definitely leave me a heart down in the comments if you made it this far without skipping through the videos.
Yes.
As I always say, it's always peace, love, and kisses.
So,
Bye.
Looking for the good food, come to Nikki Plate. If that's what you into, come to Nikki Place. Looking for the good food, come to Nikki Place. If that's what you into, come to Nikki Place. Looking for the good food, come to Nikki Place. If that's what you into, come to Nikki Place. Looking for the good food.